Welcome to our video on the Philips GC1905, a top-rated choice from the world's #1 ironing brand. This iron features a powerful 1300-watt engine designed to heat up quickly and save you valuable time. With 17 grams of continuous steam, this iron effortlessly tackles even the toughest wrinkles. The advanced aluminum sole plate provides a smooth glide, ensuring your clothes remain protected during the process. Designed with a precision tip, the GC1905 easily reaches difficult areas like pockets and collars for a perfect finish. Refilling the 180 milliliters water tank is simple, thanks to the wide-opening sideways door. Built for longevity, this iron undergoes 600 hours of rigorous durability testing to ensure it lasts. The GC1905 brings together power, precision, and durability for a complete ironing performance. Analyzing feedback from over 52,000 customers, we see it's praised for its lightweight feel and value, though some note occasional water drips. To help prevent those drips, remember to maintain high heat settings for steam and store the iron in a vertical position. In summary, the Philips GC1905 is a reliable, high-performance workhorse that offers excellent everyday value.